Monkey Paw Toys. This is this guy.
Take one. Hiya toys. Every time I say Hiya, we'll be like, ha!
Like karate.
Yeah.
For sure.
So what's up, Lewis? We got the tall redhead. And we got my girl. And then we're going to open the Hiya. Take the change off.
That reflection is killing it.
Right? Like the one from the Halloween movie.
I got it. You can see it. We're good.
Okay, cool.
I like that packaging.
I do the window box so
Yeah.
you guys can see your figure.
For sure.
Good call. Good call. Okay. Open these. Alright, here we go. I've never opened these. What is foreign figures? Foreign to 4.5.
The paintwork on these are money.
There's some detail for sure. I like it. Oh, it has a skin. I like that.
Oh, there's art on the back of the box too. That's sick. See that?
Oh shit, there you go. There you go. Take a look at that bad boy.
These things are kind of cool.
Not bad. I like that decapitated. And here's how you check out the 2003 Kinja. I don't want this to go over. There we go. Boom. Hiya toys. Alright, let's check these bad boys out. Let's check out our articulation. Yo, the movement. I'm afraid of it. You know, I've never used a Hiya like this, so I don't know exactly. It does have double knee joints. Check those out. Right there.
Single jointed elbows. It's got
This one, yeah, double.
that one has double?
Yeah.
I think it's this one has the arm covers that it does the single.
Yeah.
They feel nice though.
They do have a nice little feel to it.
There's detail all over, like on the back of the bandana, his blue and stuff like that. There's like a gray wash to his hair.
Yes. Gray wash. Yeah. It does have single on this. Boom. Alright, so
Pretty good.
here's a stand for. Oh, I know what these little hinges are for.
What?
Check this out. These little hinges.
Yeah.
You can connect
Oh,
other bases.
That's sick.
So you can connect them.
That's actually sweet.
So you can connect bases. That's the try.
Our displays are gonna look sweet.
Right? We're gonna have this display at Monkey Paw Toys here in Roar. Come out, the address will be below. So if you want to come check this out on display, we'll also have them at the shop.
Yes, sir.
We are going to add it on display. I'm not going to try to do all these little pieces. This is
I'll show them off really fast.
Yeah.
This one's the chainsaw. The paint on these are money. Like rust on them and stuff. Blood on the chainsaws. Handles have blood. Nice green on that one. This one's got a more red look. No blood on that one though. Filter in the front. Hammer as well. Mallet or whatever you want to call it. This is sweet.
that's how it does it.
Oh, that's super cool.
Boom.
I like how they did them the same color too, so you can.
Yeah.
This thing's sweet.
The cabinet. The cabinet. Hey, Jesus. How about enough? Is that you can be in the video? Why are you so quiet?
I'm not talking.
So we'll put you to this point. We'll get this here. Check out. We'll be back next video. Peace out.